Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon FBA shipment receipts automatically, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Seller Central website. Log into your Amazon Seller Central account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Reports section in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Fulfillment. In the Fulfillment Reports page, look for the Shipment Reports option. Click on Shipment Reports to access the relevant shipping data. Select the report type that contains the shipment receipts you need. Specify the date range for the shipments you want to download. After setting the date range, click on the Request Report button. Wait for the report to be generated, which may take a few moments. Once the report is ready, return to the Shipment Reports page. Locate your report under the Download Reports section. Click on the report link to download the file to your computer. Ensure you save the file in a designated folder for easy access. For automatic downloads, consider setting up a script using tools like Python. Install necessary libraries such as Boto 3 for Amazon API access. Create an IAM user in the AWS Management Console for permissions. Use the API to pull shipment data at scheduled intervals. Schedule the script using a task scheduler to run automatically. This process will help you download Amazon FBA shipment receipts efficiently. Feel free to modify the script as needed to suit your requirements. Regularly check for updates on the Amazon API for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.